Hello parents, I am Bhuvaneshwari an educator in the K-12 domain for more than 35 years. It is a very trying time now, and especially for parents who have to manage their children at home, and they are very concerned about their learning too. So as educators, we are trying our best to help and reach out to parents in all possible ways so that the learning doesn't stop for the children. In this video, I would like to give you a few examples of how you could keep your children gainfully engaged so that the learning happens and at the same time they are occupied. You could play a lot of games that are educational too. For example, you could play Monopoly, which deals a lot in terms of the money transaction. You could play chess, which is a lot about logic. And there are a whole lot of board games which are available in the market, which also helps in terms of the learning for the children. And I also happen to see that there are a few of the gamified flashcards available which are actually aligned beautifully with the curriculum. And it may be a good idea for you to explore them. I just picked up a sample from the market from an organization called Luma World. They have these gamified flashcards where you have these questions which are based for that particular grade. This is something which I have picked up for the grade 3. And this is on numbers and operations. So the children read these questions and turn around and the answers are coded on the other side, which they can actually see through a magic lens. So the question goes this way: which digit is in the tens place in 5214? That is 5214. And here below, when you place it, you have the answer which says that the answer is 1. So in the tens place, we have 1 which is there. Similarly, these are graded in terms of difficulty levels. The blue ones are the concept-based cards. And they also have something which is for the challenging ones in terms of once the children finish the concept-based cards, these are the application-based cards which are coded orange in color. What is the sum of 3 sevens and 7 threes? So the child has to go through the process of understanding, yes, there is a multiplication which is involved, and then I have to do an addition. So you have the multi-step approach, and once again, behind you have the answers which are given, which obviously the child uses the magic lens to find out the answers. The curiosity of the child is also there because the child wants to find out whether the answer that he or she has said is correct. You can play this in the form of a game too, where a child picks up a card, gets the answer, gets a point. The parent then picks up the next card and finds out if they can get a point too. So this can be a group game that can be played with the family. So let's make family time interesting is what Luma World is all about. I like them and I thought I should share this with you all. Similarly, going forward, I will always bring in all the other tools which are available so that as parents, while sitting at home, you can do that with your children so that the learning is an entire journey along with the parents and they enjoy every moment of it. Thank you.